How to log into UHS employee account. Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to easily log into your UHS employee portal. First thing you have to do is simply search for UHS employee login on your web browser and hit the search icon. Then you should be able to see this universal health services.inc. Go to uhs.com and go to employee self-service. And once you tap on it, go to employee self-service portal, tap on the drop down, and then you can just go ahead and log in. Tap the three bars and then you can see the login button right here. Now just scroll down and find this option. Go to visit Lawson portal, tap on it. Now on this page you should be able to log into your account without any problem. You should find a login screen something like this once you tap on the Lawson portal, and you can just enter your username and password from here and then tap on this login button. And if somehow you forgot your password, tap on the forgot password button down below to recover your passcode. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one.